iPhone पे recording कर audio का. Keep it as wide.
Wait, let me show you something.
चालू हुआ ना?
Bellman. It's your full name, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Bellman. Just for the viewers.
So we went from tourist to interviewer and interview like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just for this video recording, whatever we might be calling it, I was planning on taking an interview with Yajit because he is the closest artist friend I have, and also one of the best artist friends that I have currently. So this interview will be mainly about the craft of an artist and what inspires an artist to do what he does. So my first question to you will be, how did you get into music? Like, normal question.
Music is always around, mostly.
What do you mean by that?
Like, my dad was also always like my earliest memory is like sitting in my dad's Lancer, Mitsubishi Lancer, and then like he would play a lot of Michael Jackson. He would play a lot of Michael Jackson because we had those cassette wala Mitsubishi tha hamara. So he used to play. He used to make these mixtapes of just like top hits of Michael Jackson, top hits of Doors, top hits of these like AC/DC, jo bhi hai. So and I used
I
to
had good taste.
and my dad used to like drop me to school. तभी वैसा था.
Every day.
Every morning, every evening,
सीरीज चल रहा है.
कुछ भी चल रहा है. माइकल जैक्सन चल रहा है, AC/DC चल रहा है, डोर चल रहा है, कुछ भी चल रहा है, बट चल रहा है, भर के चल रहा है. आधे से ज़्यादा मेरे को समझ भी नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है. I didn't like, I was very young, I just started going to school, but like my earliest memory,
alt rock,
pop, like that, like तभी का pop, or like Prince also, he fucking loved Prince, so he used to play a lot of that. So बहुत starting से bro, गाने हमेशा. But it's always like my parents have always, my dad especially, he's more listener. Yeah, and he was also into music when he was younger. Because like he wanted to learn guitar and shit. जब when he wanted to learn guitar तभी नहीं चल रहा था. क्या होता, मम्मी डैडी बोल रहे थे नहीं करना, ऐसा सब सीखना नहीं है. So क्या हुआ, my dad grew up a little bit. Then छोटे भाई को मिल गया गिटार. उनके छोटे भाई को. So he bought his younger brother a guitar. Yeah, because तू सीख ले. कुछ हुआ नहीं, but like as a gift. And he also was a poster boy. पोस्टर चिपकाने वाला ना. He was that for a few bands back in Mumbai. जब there's this Indian rock मुंबई में एपिसेंटर था. तभी स्टार्ट हुआ था. So a lot of new bands started coming out of Mumbai. So he used to stick their concert posters, like assigned by them and shit.
Yeah.
Cute shit.
Which band was that?
I honestly have no idea, but whenever he talks about that time, he is like very excited and shit. That's why he's like kind of like supportive also of my music thing. There's a side of him that sees himself in me. That's why like I feel like it is. I don't know. Hey, music हमेशा था.
Cut it here.
What?
सुसु आ रहा है.
अब कहाँ पे करेगा?
कहीं और देखते हैं.
Family, I keep it a $150.